Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Vanessa. Today we are doing a couple tutorials with the BH Cosmetics Royal Affair palette. And I got this at Ulta. I got it on sale for like 10 bucks, but it normally retails for 18. But like I say later on in the video, they always have sales on bhcosmetics.com and on ulta.com, even in store. I got this in store. So if you want this palette or pretty well anything from them, just be looking for coupons or sales because they're really good. Like, I've tried a few from BH Cosmetics, and this one, I go into detail at the end of my final thoughts. There's a couple struggles, but overall I really do love the quality of these. So yeah, if you guys want to see the looks I created, then just keep watching. So, priming the eye. Clearly this eye is almost done. Rolling with Lorac eyeshadow primer because it is my new fave. All over the lid. You guys know the drill. We are going in with Monarch right here. This beautiful green. And I'm using my Morphe M433. And I am first tapping her on. So just putting it right in there. And it's weird, like, what a color, a difference. Like, just this green though, I'm telling you, is beautiful. Like, no joke beautiful. And then we're going to gently start blending this out. We're winging it out on this end. But I'm keeping this pretty well under my brow bone. I don't know what that's called. But this bone right here that you feel. Kind of what makes your crease there. And then blend away. I gotta scoot up. I don't know why, but I like to rest my arm, my elbow, on the table. So yeah. And this patchiness right here, that is from my eye. It is not from the eyeshadow. My eye has been doing something super weird there. So that's me, guys. That's me. And then we are going in with Empress right here. I'm just going ever so gently. Like, I don't drink caffeine, like, much at all. I have heart palpitations. Caffeine makes it super bad. But for some reason, I'm like hyper. It's like I've just drank a ton of caffeine when I've not had any. Weird. So weird. So sorry guys if I'm a little more than I normally am. We are going in with this beautiful blue. We're not going to focus today. Nope. Ooh, there we go. So I'm just going to continue to kind of connect the lines and bring it down here. And then start into our crease. I know, it's looking pretty messy right now. But once we start to blend, everything looks better. Alright, now with our Morphe M507, grabbing that darker bluish, wow, the darker bluish shade. I don't really know what this color is. It's kind of blue, it's kind of gray, but I'm just fixing this outer corner where I want it to wing out. But this green shade would be stunning just on its own without this darker color. I am telling you, it is beautiful. And now with my finger, I'm going in with Palace right here. This is like a grayish khaki color. I really love this matte. Like, I'm pretty sure I would have kept this matte if I would have, like, not been trying to show you guys the different colors. I would definitely have kept this matte. So now I have my Eco Tools double-ended brush here, and we are going in with High Tea, which is this guy right here. So I'm going to load some of that on my brush, pretty good bit. And then I'm going to spray my brush with some Fix Plus. And then I'm going to go back in again. And then just apply it all over my eyeballs. No, not my actual eyeball, my eyelid. Told you guys, I don't know. And I am getting a little bit of fallout, but I'm not too worried about that. That is why I did my eyeshadow first. Now back in with our teeny tiny M507. In with the star of the show, Monarch, the green. And we're just gonna blend these guys in together. Okay, so I'm gonna go off camera, finish this face up, and I'll be right back. So here's what we are looking like. Just excuse this hair and this blush. I seriously don't know what happened. I went in, and I used to love these. I went in with Lorac Infrared, and they're buildable blushes, so they're not super duper pigmented. I tapped in one time, went in, and wow, did it overdo it. So I knew I had to do the same thing on this side, but we're just gonna overlook that, guys. And yeah, this is our finished eye look. I threw on some Eyelure 117 lashes, and let's get to that lower lash line. So we're going in with Monarch, which is my favorite shade, and a little bit of Enchanted. It's like, I love this look, you guys. Wow, like, I'm shocked. I honestly love it. So yeah, I am going to go ahead and remove this. I don't know if I'm going to do another look today. This is actually my second video today. But if not, I will be back tomorrow. We'll do another one. I'm hoping to do 3 looks. It might be 2, but I'm hoping to do 3. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the next one. Okay guys, so this is our second look, and I swear I could do so many looks with this palette. I could. So let me get situated here. I was trying to figure out which colors I wanted to do today, and I have that in the most awful place for you to see it. I seen this color right here. I know that's not at all the best shot of it, but I was just so intrigued by this that I wanted to use it. So I went with this one and this one and this one. So I already have the Lorac eyeshadow primer on, and I'm gonna go straight in with Majesty. And I'm just gonna lightly put this in our upper crease. And then blend it out just a little bit. This look is so easy, but that super yellow gold shade just makes it pop. Like, wow, pop. And then I'm gonna go in with Duchess right there. I'm gonna start out and put this on my outer corner. I'm sorry if you can hear my heater going. Like, I even had to put a sweater on, and I've got this little heater over here going because it is cold here. It is so cold here. I'm not a winter person. I'm just not. I much prefer spring and summer, just warmer weather. I like freeze in the winter. So I'm really sorry if you hear that clicking on and off. Just no big deal there. We're just, you know, blending it out and kind of up. And then I'm taking it kind of where my pupil is, just stopping right in the center, curving it just a little bit there. And then I'm taking my new favorite brush. This is the Morphe M507. It's a little itty bitty brush using the same shade and just intensifying that even more. Same brush, and I'm going to go in with our first shade, and I'm just going to put it right along the edge here, and then use our other brush to blend it out. Hopefully, because I kind of went in with a little bit too much there, just a tad. But we're gonna blend. So simple and easy. I'm gonna go in with my finger on this beautiful crown shade right here. It is super soft, like wow, pigmented. And we're gonna put that right on our lid. Alright, then I'm gonna grab our little bitty brush again and the transition shade that we used and just blend them right into one another. I'm taking the M513 with our transition shade and running it on the lower lash line. I think that looks so pretty just as is. But I'm going to run just a little bit of Duchess, the darker shade, right on our outer corner. Alright, I'm going to finish up this eye, put some brows on because not looking the greatest without brows. And I'll be right back. Okay guys, and this is our finished look. I put a little bit of the Ulta Gold glitter on the inner corners of my eyes and it just bumped it up another notch. But if you really wanted to make this dramatic, you could do a wing and then put on full lashes. I have on just 3/4 lashes. These are the Allure and Talia lashes. They're beautiful, beautiful lashes. Like you could just throw these on and it just opens up your eyes so much. But yeah, this is our second look, and guys, I'm loving this palette. Like, I'm loving it. I'm gonna go ahead and get to the next one. Okay guys, so I wanted to jump back on here because I'm not gonna do another look with this palette. I'm not going to because I started editing last night, and where I get so into detail with where I'm putting this shadow, that shadow, why I'm blending it this way, blah blah blah, because I want you guys to be able to follow it step by step, that if I do another look with this palette, it's going to be like 2 hours long. So no one wants to watch a 2-hour long video. So I'm just gonna do those looks that I've already done, but I'm gonna go ahead and tell you my final thoughts. I think you guys already know how I feel about this palette. I love this palette. I think that the mattes in here are exceptional. I love that it has a little mirror, but it is a good mirror. For the price point, I got this for $10. I believe normally it's $18, but they always have sales on BH Cosmetics. So you can totally get it for that price as well. And a $10 palette that performs this well, absolutely. Even a $20 palette, it performs very, very well. What I will say is the shimmers and metallics in here, they're a little bit trickier to work with because I normally put metallics on with my fingers. Well, these don't work as well with your fingers, some of the shades. They work better with a brush. This guy right here is more of a topper. So just take that into consideration. Some of the metallics aren't so easy to work with, but the mattes in here are beautiful. I've tried, I believe, almost all of the mattes. So I love that. And I love how they have this set up. Like you can use these two shades for a look, or these shades right here for a look, these two, these two, these two over here. Like they have it set up so well. So if you are newer to makeup, you don't have to play a guessing game. Which shades go together? No, this is really, really set up well for beginners. And then, I mean, you can experiment with so many different shades just putting them together, but you have them set to where these are your 2 easy mats that you can use and then throw on a shimmer. Like, I really, really enjoy that. Some palettes are set up and it's like they're all over the place, and I know beginners have to be overwhelmed. I'm even overwhelmed sometimes. So I absolutely would recommend, ow, I have a knot in my hair. Ugh. Anyway, but I absolutely would recommend this palette. I'm so sorry that I'm not going to do another look. I wanted to do another look just because I love this so much. But I have so many other videos that I've got to do as well, and then I don't want my videos to be incredibly long. So I hope you guys enjoyed these tutorials. If you did, please subscribe and comment, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.